All right, we have a slow draining tub. And I know what the culprit is. It's a bunch of hair clogged in there. So I'm gonna show you how I fix that. You just unscrew the little stopper here if you got one like that. Really just the top's supposed to pop off, but I don't know, unless it's screwed on too tight, this comes out. And then what you got left over, you can see down in there. Let me get some light. Right down in there, a bunch of hair. All right, so the only tool you need for this is some needle nose pliers. Just get right down in there, start pulling all that, my daughter's hair out of there, like this. Oh, there's some red down in there. Who knows what that is? Ooh, look at all that. Isn't that yummy? Mmm. Alright, so you just keep pulling that out. We almost got it all out of there. Wasn't too bad this time. Sometimes it's really stuck on there. I gotta keep pulling and pulling and pulling. But you just get all that hair out. You can see down in there. Don't see any more hair. Then you take your stopper. Make sure you get all the hair off of it too. Just take your stopper. Put it right back in there. If you can get it right where it goes. Maybe. Ooh, we got it. Alright, and then you just screw that on. Tight. Alright, that works. You want to get that nasty hair out of the way. I don't really want to touch it with my fingers. So we're going to take that. Ew! That's disgusting. Take that and throw it in the trash. Boom. Alright. So, now we get to push it down, see if it'll hold water. Alright, let it fill up a little bit. Turn it off. Undo it. There goes all the water. So that's how you unclog hair from your tub. Thanks.